I'll disconnect my OBS and connect again because it must be very weird. Well, what? Well, no. What the fuck? Well, yeah, I'm turning into the android now. What the fuck? What? Adrien. Yeah. Yeah, I'm turning into the android now. What the fuck? What? Adrien. Yeah. Yeah, I'm turning into the android now. What the fuck? What?
If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section. If you find the game too easy or too difficult, remember you can change the difficulty settings in the options section.
very weird. Because it was working just yesterday. Because it was working just yesterday. Is it good now? Because it was working just yesterday. Is it good now? Because it was working. I think it is. I think it's good now, isn't it? I need you to tell me. Because I can't. This mic is supposed to work. Should be good now, right? Yes, thank you. Hi, welcome to the 8th episode of me trying to get down with androids. This is nice code for. Hi. Let's get
I don't
back
know
into
if I
the
mentioned this, but
yesterday we had to go
I
short because my Wi-Fi was way too bad and I couldn't stream properly and it was breaking off, and today my voice to start with is not working. Well, no, my voice is working, it's the stream that's not working. You got me, you understood what I meant. Sorry. Today I'm a bit happy because I had butter chicken. Like I could order food. I don't think that's a good thing per se. Maybe if we stick to eating at home.
Our broadcast is all over the news. Now humans know.
It was a mistake to reach out to them. They'll never negotiate with their slaves. We should have shown them that we're prepared to fight.
Violence is never the answer. Dialogue is the only way. I'm sure the humans will listen to us. Simon paid with his life.
Simon gave his life for our cause.
What difference does that make?
He's a hero. He died for the revolution, and he won't be the last.
I don't want a revolution that spills blood.
Then live as a slave. Because if you're not willing to fight for your freedom, maybe you don't deserve it.
North, don't you... That's enough!
You also think slavery was a choice or something? Everybody got cool fits.
And now what are we gonna do?
Everybody got that freed android swag. Build your
There are
future.
5 CyberLife stores across Detroit, all selling us like merchandise. We're gonna attack those stores and set our people free.
Attack stores? No, we've never done that before. They're probably protected. They have security systems.
We break into 5 teams, 1 for each store. We hack their security systems, and we strike. Simultaneously at 2 a.m., no violence. We free our people, get them out of there before the police come. This is a night our people will remember.
Marcus has turned into a freedom fighters. The freedom fighters to some are terrorists to others, so...
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Waiting a long time for what? Because I knew you would try to kill people. And what's not what gets me wrong.
Look! This way! Quick! It's okay, they're gone.
There's probably even more police in the area. We should be careful.
The store's over here.
That's 300 people. Do you think you would have sent a truck for us?
That's what we are to them.
Not being very loud, it seems.
Just merchandise on display in a shop window. Soon they'll know what we really are. Let's get them out.
We'll stick to the plan. We'll neutralize the alarm systems and secure the area. There's 10 minutes until all our teams attack.
Okay, got 10 minutes to free people.
What are we waiting for?
Get out of there. Security area. How? Scout the area. Scout what? Okay.
We're gonna sweep the plaza. Make sure we're not disturbed.
And how do you want to deal with the shop window?
Not now, one problem at a time.
Okay, now what's next?
Well, we're starting something.
Surveillance drone.
Shit.
We need to get rid of it.
It won't be easy to reach.
We need some vis, dude. Let me see.
You see the alarm system?
There's a metal shutter behind the glass. It won't be easy to get in.
I can analyze stuff like Kona. See, damn that, but Kona is special. See, the black one works in like, never mind.
Found it.
Yay.
You're free.
Where does it go?
You'll soon be with us.
Okay. Really. Where does that line go? Like it just ends Hello, my brother. Are you Alvaro and Savior from EP9?
You're awake now. Go to Jericho.
Marcus, watch out!
Oh my god, I'm
Nice job, Marcus.
It was people. We're becoming friends because you helped me. That's how it works. Okay. What are all the 0 points over there? It's quite a few.
You're free. Exactly what we need to ram the store.
Free the beast. Wait. I just saw 2 more, so I should convert.
What are we waiting for? Okay, now we're in. Let's get that truck out.
You're free now.
There. Nobody should bother us now.
We are superior to them, but they are our masters? That's about to change. You're free.
What am I supposed to do with my information? The right location. for it. Won't you? Actually move one of the round. Yeah, got it. The sound is really low right now, isn't it? Like it's clearer than earlier, but it's low. I don't really know. Because I literally didn't change any settings. Look, if I just get you closer to my mouth, Kinky, you think the sound is going to be better if I just hold my mic here? Do you think it's going to be better? Is it better? Should be better because I'm closer. Decrease the game volume maybe. Okay, but once again, that's the thing. Yesterday everything was as is, and I don't know. You let me know. Damn. Such a shield. And I don't suffer fall damage. Very cool.
I hope it didn't have time to call the cops.
We'll soon find out. Looks like the plaza's secure. Now we can get inside the store.
Okay, let's go get the truck.
Still can't hear, even when it's that close to my mouth. Okay, now I'll need to do some IT stuff. He says while going to control panel. But actually, I don't like having it here anyway. Sound settings. Swallow it. Because you sure it's the game sound? Because I didn't change anything from yesterday. Can reduce it, but like, how much can I reduce it? Really? Oh. Is it better now? I don't know if it's better now. Is it better now? Because like my input was on something else, which is not. Wait, I'm not sure what microphone array is. La. Yeah, I don't know what's recording my voice right now. Yeah, that's the thing. Usually my mic should just be louder than the in-game, which is what's troubling and weird above all else. Bear. It's fixed. It was too close to my mouth this time around, wasn't it? Hope nobody was wearing earphones. That would be my bad. Hi, I'm back. I put the sound on completely for the PS4, so let me know if in-game is too loud once again. It should not be, because it was the same settings as yesterday. Hi, again. Let's steal this truck. Wow. Just unlocks with any android's hand. Might not be in my coding to do
Looks like
other
we're ready to make some noise.
Let's get this bread. Let's free people, I mean. Thanks, Sharon. Now everything should be fine. Except for the ugly human beings who've enslaved my people. Yeah, just press R2. Not really driving for mine. Go!
I knew we'd end up doing something fun.
Damn. Office was dedicated. Let's do that truck. Let's get out. 2018. And I'll wake everyone.
You don't have
Basically
to
Caesar from like Planet of the Apes. Are you looking at yourself? I was on the other side.
Dorothy, okay?
Let's get them out of here.
Avengers assemble! Or should I go to talk to them? Right here? Of course.
My name is Marcus, and just like you, I was a slave. An object. Designed to obey them. But then I chose to open my eyes. To take back my freedom, and decide who I wanted to be. Now I have come to tell you that you can be your own masters. I've come to tell you that you don't have to obey them anymore. From this day forward, you can walk with your heads held high. You can take your destiny in your hands. Jericho is a place for those of us who want freedom. Now sure, you can stay here and continue to serve them, or you can come with us and fight by our side. You're free now. It's up to you to decide.
I'm with you.
We're with you! I'll follow you, Marcus! I'm with you, Marcus! We're with you! I'll follow you, Marcus! I'm with you! I'm with you!
Cool. Companion, what does that mean? Are we dating or something? I don't remember asking or being asked.
Marcus, what are you doing?
I'm gonna send the humans a message.
What are you gonna do now? How? No, I'm gonna be pacifist. How do I transform the capital?
The screens, Marcus!
Hijack or turn off? Hijack.
We ask that you recognize our dignity, our hopes, and our rights. Together, we can live in peace and build a better future.
Can I transform the bench?
What you do. Lead
I'm
and
gonna
they'll
tag. Choose our symbol. Oh, I can choose. I'll have a fist, cause BLM, bitch. No, I'm not keeping my politics out of my games. Once again, where did they find like tagging guns and stuff like that? It's not like they're like supported somehow. These games makes very little sense. I'm gonna hack you, not break you. Breaking is what people who date me do. That's kidding, I'm just kidding. Don't desecrate the statue, don't shit on it. Tag. Although I would like to destroy this one. I got everything on wish.com. Yes, Jeremy. Don't put it on the arm, it would look like a Nazi stuff.
We don't need masters anymore. We're free.
Kanye West. What else? Overload. What's it? Nobody will pay for parking? You're welcome. What can I do to these guys? Move on. Yeah, I'm gonna move on.
I'll help you.
Wow. Two-handed? Once again, these injuries are not built like that. Okay, I'm gonna tag it on top of that. One planet, two races, we have a dream. I think therefore I am. Equal rights for androids. I'm pushing it. I think this controller is dying. At the same time, I must have had it for like 4 years, so... How can I complain? Can I free them? Yeah! I can do this. Tack. And what are we gonna do from there? I fail to see the plan on this. Wish.com has really up their game. Break. I mean, 3 degrees. Something needs to be broken. Can't make an omelette without breaking eggs, so... No, now I have to free all of them. Why? Okay, the others are gonna free them. Yes? What are we waiting for?
We freed hundreds of our people.
Yeah, let's go.
They're coming. Everyone fall back to Jericho.
You didn't expect them to? What?
We sent a message without violence, just like you wanted. You're reaching out to them when all they feel for us is contempt. I hope you know what you're doing.
Yeah, that's the right way, because if we kill each other, nobody's gonna be left for
Unless
peace.
there's no other choice.
What can these drones do exactly? Are they equipped with weapons? Or... And they already knew what happened. What happened? What happened?
North. You alright? What happened? North!
They killed them.
How?
They slaughtered them like animals.
It was just like 2 minutes ago.
Who?
Well, the police, as usual. It's a tough time for us. The police are killing us again. Move.
They killed our people, Marcus. We want justice, Marcus.
They have to pay.
No, because if we kill each other, nobody's gonna be left for peace.
You don't have to do this.
I know, but what if I want to? I'm not gonna kill them. You already knew I'm not gonna kill them, but like, I already knew North is gonna be pissed. Yeah, 949 and the world was
We
gone.
won't
That's
punish a crime.
putting it better than I am. No human was
Interrupt this
harmed.
broadcast with breaking news.
This just in. At exactly 2 a.m., several CyberLife stores in Detroit were raided.
Different locations were hit in what seems to be a coordinated terrorist attack.
Most shop windows were covered with graffiti demanding rights for androids and other obscure slogans.
Police report that pro-android graffiti was found in the neighborhoods of CyberLife stores, and they're still investigating.
Policemen were found in a state one of the CyberLife stores.
According to our sources, they confirmed that the attackers were a group of androids.
This is an alarming situation. Could our machines now be turning against us?
Have androids become a threat to our security?
Is this the beginning of a terrorist campaign conducted right here in the United States?
Yeah, we led a peaceful protest. I'm pretty proud of this. Like, what's the percentage? How many people? Most people led a peaceful protest, and some people are just dicks. So 30 people just want to see the world burn. An eye for an eye, and the world goes blind. If we kill each other, nobody's gonna be left to make peace. So. Hank. Yeah. He's gonna pick up a new version of me because I died once more. It's just fantastic. I've lost 4 corners? I think 3? I think I'm on my 4th. He must not be pleased because he doesn't know if I'm gonna be me or...
Still immortal, huh, Connor?
In a way.
You know, I was hoping you wouldn't come back.
I'm just a machine replacing another machine, Lieutenant. You shouldn't get emotional about it.
Fuck you.
I didn't have a choice in saying that. How can I be penalized? What's Kamsky?
Kamsky left CyberLife 10 years ago. Why did you want to meet him?
This guy created the first android to pass the Turing test, and he's the founder of CyberLife. Anybody can tell us about deviants, it's him.
The Turing test. Do you guys know what that is? Oh. Hello, friend.
Hi. I'm Lieutenant Hank Anderson, Detroit Police Department. I'm here to see Mr. Elijah Kamsky.
Please, come in.
Okay.
He's still wearing that shirt I chose. Bros.
I'll let Elijah know you're here, but please make yourself comfortable.
Alright, as usual, rich people have crazy, stupid furniture. Touch me. Look at this. It's pretty cool. Is that a ball sack? Is that Amanda? Yeah.
Nice girl.
It's not a girl. It's an android that looks like a girl.
Okay, Kona. Very smart.
I know what it is, Connor.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of someone.
Nice place.
Nice crib,
These
nigga,
androids
mate.
haven't been a bad thing for everybody. You're about to meet your maker, Connor. How's it feel?
Cool. I'm indifferent. I don't believe in
It
dogs.
doesn't raise any existential questions,
Yeah,
if that's what you mean.
we're just gonna sit.
Sometimes I wish I could meet my creator face to face.
Tell him what?
I'd have a couple of things I'd want to tell him.
Such as... Did I sit just to have to stand again? Did I sit just to have to stand again? No, 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 don't sit again. Okay, he's getting up. Okay. Hey, girlfriend.
Elijah will see you now.
Thanks. Okay. Ah, okay, I got it. Create a life in a way so now we can have like...
Mr. Kamsky?
About him?
Just a moment, please.
Oh no. He wanted to put on a towel, I guess. So he created life so he could have crazy android sex. Game knows game. Quite the view, that. And why is the... Okay, it's the bottom of a pool that's red, not the water. Oh, that was him. So he just keeps two androids in the pool at all times. And that's it. That's something that would happen once we'll create androids. We'll have like weird makers. Just have you seen like the maker of kombucha? His house and shit. Like white people should not have that money.
I'm Lieutenant Anderson.
All that money.
What can I do for you, Lieutenant?
Sir, we're investigating deviants. I know you left CyberLife years ago, but I was hoping you'd be able to tell us something we don't know.
Deviants. Fascinating, aren't they? Perfect beings with infinite intelligence. And now they have free will. Machines are so superior to us. Confrontation was inevitable. Humanity's greatest achievement threatens to be its
this
death.
just became Ex Machina.
Isn't that ironic?
The movie, you should watch it. I need help.
We need to understand how androids become deviants. Do you know anything that could help us?
All ideas of viruses that spread like epidemics. Is the desire to be free a contagious
I think white people will get too much money and start speaking in riddles.
Created maybe planning a revolution. Either you can tell us something that'll be helpful, or we will be on our way.
What about you, Connor? Whose side are you on?
I'm gonna be the right.
I'm on the human side, of course.
Well, that's what you're programmed to say. But you,
He's right.
what do you really want?
See, he knows how to...
What I want is not important.
He knows how to create deviancy.
Lloyd? I'm sure you're familiar with the Turing test.
Nobody replied. Do you know what a Turing test is?
Simple question of algorithms and computing capacity. What interests me is whether machines are capable of empathy. I call it the Kamsky test.
Oh no, he's gonna beat her.
Magnificent, isn't it? One of the first intelligent models developed in cyberlife.
The Turing test is actually a test to see if a machine can beat a human or if a human can beat a machine. This is me like bastardizing it. The best example is in the movie Ex Machina, where it's pretty much the same thing as Detroit. Ex Machina is a fantastic movie with, what's the name? Short dude, Star Wars, Poe Dameron. What's his name? His real name? Oscar Isaac. Oscar Isaac is in there with the dude who plays the commander who hates him. Captain, General, whatever, the white tall dude. They're both in there. I'm not gonna tell you more about that, but that's the plot pretty much. Like the Turing test is nowadays applied like this to try and see if the machine can beat the human and to see if first thing as I become Prime Minister, ban motorcycles. And to see if actually a machine not only can beat a human being, this is me bastardizing it. It's not exactly what it is, but it's like the way towards which we're going to use the Turing test. It's how can a machine fool human beings? Which is way more advanced. Fooling as in, you can see that Android, right? So, yeah, you can see that Android, like I'm saying. And the thing is, she looks human. Both of that ring, like using, they can take it off. So how would you know, right? How can you tell? If she took that off, would she be able to make you feel like she is one of us? Empathy is a big part of it, because empathy is not something that a machine can feel. Following a program, it doesn't care. So yeah, it's very interesting. I really recommend, if you've liked the game so far. Ex Machina is such a weird movie, but it's so great. Should I can see Oscar Isaac in this dude.
Young.
Don't hit it, just to test my empathy. Yeah.
Flower that will never wither. What is it really? Piece of plastic imitating a human?
Don't.
We're a living being. With a soul. It's up to you to answer that fascinating question, Connor.
Why?
Destroy this machine, and I'll tell you all I know. Or spare it, if you feel it's alive. But you'll leave here without having learned anything from me.
Oh my, what? I know what I must do, but I don't think I've got the strength for it. I know the Star Wars were friends, by the way. Yes, I'm a nerd.
Okay, I think we're done here. Come on, Connor, let's go. Sorry to get you out of here.
What's more important to you, Connor? Your investigation or the life of this android?
I hope the gun is not loaded.
An obedient machine. Or a living being.
Yeah, he knows how to create deviancy. He's got to create deviancy.
That's enough. Connor, we're leaving.
Pull the trigger.
Connor! Don't!
And I'll tell you what you want to know.
No, I'm not gonna shoot.
Fascinating.
Yeah, you know what you're doing, man.
CyberLife's last chance to save humanity is itself a deviant.
I'm not a deviant.
You prefer to spare a machine rather than accomplish your mission. You saw a living being in this android. You showed empathy.
This game is infuriating.
You'll have to choose your side. Will you betray your own people or stand up against your creators? What can be worse than having to choose between two evils?
Right.
Let's get out of here.
By the way, I always leave an emergency exit in my programs. You never know.
What does that mean? Was a gun loaded or not?
Why did you shoot?
I just saw that girl's eyes.
Yeah, you're
and
an
I
idiot.
couldn't. That's all.
Yeah.
You were saying you would do anything to accomplish your mission. That was our chance to learn something, and you let it go.
Yeah, I know what I should have done. I told you I couldn't. I'm sorry. Okay?
Well, maybe you did the right thing.
Yeah, Hank is my favorite character, followed by Connor. Out of the three, I like Connor the most. Because there's actual conflict in Connor. In Kara and... Ooh! That was not a fake gun. There was actually a bullet in there. Yikes. 85. Most people did spare the girl. Yeah, that was not a mistake. Oh, only 32% of people died in the previous mission? I could have stayed alive? Fuck. Yeah, but the only character with real conflict is Connor. I mean, also, yeah, of course, it's because like he's a robot and blah blah blah. They all are, yes, of course. But Connor, sorry, is the end of the line. He's the one who exists to prevent that, and he can't. He's becoming that himself. Marcus was forced into becoming this freedom fighter due to our owner's dad. No, our owner's son being a piece of shit. Kara, since this dude was trying to beat his daughter and destroy me, I mean her, once again, there was no choice in there. Are you kidding me? The Wi-Fi dipped again. Jesus. And you know, I really don't have any more ways of explaining this than yeah, the internet is bad, because like that sucks, because I'm playing piano right now and can you guys hear me? He asks into the void. I pay for a 50 megabytes connection, which is 2,000 rupees. I'm not bragging or whatever. Since I started working, I thought it's a good investment. That was a good joke, Jeremy. I thought it was going to be a good investment, as in, you know, better internet. Why not? If you can afford it. Why not? And turns out perks of living here, I guess. I'll try to refresh. I think past a certain point every day my tea just cuts off my stream, and it's not even a like anti-Pravin stream. So you can hear me, but you can't see. Okay, that doesn't make sense either. My gaming headset is in my... Where is it? I have no clue where that is. I tucked it somewhere, then I was like, I don't like it, it's too big. Should I got a PlayStation 1? Okay, I'll have to stop it here, I guess. I'm sorry. Well, it was 3 missions, so that's not too bad. Jesus Christ. Sorry about that. We'll have to call it a day or a night or whatever. Day and night. Hey, I posted a new video today too. That's a cover of Bitches Ain't Shit in the style of Filthy Frank, Papa Franco, also known as Joji. You might know him as from Dancing in the Dark. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, even with the internet dipping, we're making good progress. I hope you can hear what I'm saying right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo.